let's use integration by parts to work out this integral. First of all, remember that integration by parts, the formula actually comes from the product rule, differentiation. Let's just take a look back at it before we go ahead with the calculation. Now, let's say you have two functions in x, u and v. U multiplied by v. The derivative of uv equal, you hold u as it is, differentiate v, plus hold v as it is, differentiate u. Alright? Remember that. Now, let's integrate them. The integral of d of uv equals the integral of u dv plus the integral of v du. Now, if you integrate the derivative of uv, the integral and the derivative cancel out each other. So what you have is uv equal the integral of u dv plus the integral of v du. Alright? Now, suppose you subtract integral of u dv from both sides. Minus integral of u dv, this is gone, and here minus integral of u on the left, the minus integral of u dv. So let's put some space there and minus it. You have uv over here, and u minus the integral of u dv of v du, not u dv, of v du. Now let's have integral of u dv on the left and uv minus integral of v du on the right. Then you have the formula for the integration by parts. The integral of u dv equal uv minus integral of v du. Now, one of the functions is u and the other one is dv. So let us see now. You have integral of 5x cubed ln x dx. The integral of 5x cubed ln x dx. Now, one of them is u and the other one is dv. Now, making the correct choice at first will save you a lot of work. Probably a lot of unnecessary work, right? Making the wrong choice will see yourself working out math that becomes more complicated instead of simpler. Now, remember, whatever you choose for you, you're going to have to differentiate it so that it goes from u to du. Whatever you choose for dv, you have integrated it goes from dv to v. Right? This u and this u will be the same. So, I know that if I differentiate ln x, I'm going to get 1 over x. And that 1 over x could partially cancel with the x cubed. So ln x is the one that I want to differentiate. Now u is the one you're going to differentiate to become du. So let u be ln x and dv be 5x cubed. Alright? So what happened now? This is equal to u, which is ln x, remember u is ln x, times v. Now dv is 5x cubed. When you go from dv to v, you're going to integrate, right? So when you integrate 5x cubed, what you're going to get, remember you're going from dv to v, you integrate d, the derivative of v, to get v. So it's going to be 5x to the 3 plus 1 new power over 3 plus 1 new power, alright? Minus the integral now of this v is the same v here. So this thing here, we're going to have to put it in front here. So it's 5x to the 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 times du. Right? So, times du. Du is what again? What happened? You have ln u. You have ln x being u. So when you go from u to du, you have to differentiate. So when you differentiate ln x, you get 1 over x dx. Right? So you see that? So what happened now? You say 5x to the 4 over 4. Let me rewrite that 4 there. To the 4. My. Over 4. 5x to the 4 over 4. Right? Times ln x minus. Now, this is 5. The integral of 5x to the 4 over 4 times 1 over x dx. Now, this is 5x to the 4th over 4 ln x minus what now? You could put the 5 over 4 outside the integral sign, you know. So it's 5 over 4 integral of x to the 4th times 1 over x dx. But what is x to the 4 times 1 over x? X into x1, x into x to the 4 goes x cubed. So what you really have is 5x to the 4 over 4 ln x minus 5 over 4 integral of x cubed dx. When you integrate x cubed, what do you get? Alright. This is 5x to the 4 over 4 ln x minus 5 over 4 x to the 4 over 4 plus c. You see the integral there? Add 1 to the old power. 3 plus 1 divided by, to get the new power, divided by that new power. So you have x to the 4th over 4. So simplifying this now, it's 5 over 4 x to the 4th ln x minus 5 over 16 x to the 4th plus c.